All right, we're gonna take a look today at setting up Bluetooth in the Mazda Infotainment Connect system. So when you're on the home screen, and we're gonna use the Command Shift knob today to navigate around the settings module of the infotainment system. That center one is already on communication, so we're gonna press down on that Command Shift knob. And the first thing it's gonna ask us is, would you like to connect a phone now? If we hit connect, it's gonna take us to the Bluetooth settings piece. And we do wanna make sure it's turned on, which you'll see right here that we've already got it turned on. And then we're gonna come down here to add new device. Once you depress the Command Shift knob again, it's going to say search for Mazda in your Bluetooth device. And I've got my phone pulled up here to the settings piece, and I do have an iPhone. So what that's going to look like is going right in here to the Bluetooth settings. And when it comes up, it's going to come up as Mazda as another device. The next thing it's going to ask you is to ensure that the pairing number is the same here as it is on the screen. So when you've got that, you're going to say yes on both places and pair that. And then the very next thing that it's going to do is going to take just a minute to pair to the vehicle. My phone is asking me if I'd like to allow or disallow the favorites and contact syncs. And then what we're going to be able to do with the Mazda is enable emergency assistance call. And what that's going to do is, if the vehicle is in an accident or is disabled, it's going to go ahead and trigger your phone to make an emergency call to the local emergency contact. Now, once I've got that set up, it's going to go ahead and ask me whether I want to have both phone and audio selected or one or the other connected to this device. Now, default is phone and audio, and that's going to allow you to make phone calls with the phone as well as listen to the Bluetooth audio if you aren't connected through the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in the Touring models or above. If you do want to disconnect from the device, say you've got two devices and one is stored as the primary, but you want to get that other one connected, it's simple to do that either from your phone or from the Mazda. I'll show it from the Mazda. So what that is all you'd come down here is hit disconnect. It would disconnect that device and give you the opportunity to connect a secondary device. If you are getting a new device or leaving the vehicle, all you have to do to unpair is come down here, unpair the device. I'll go ahead and do that now since it's not my vehicle, and we'll go ahead and select yes. Once you do that, it's going to unpair the phone, no longer making it accessible by the vehicle. So that's a look at the Mazda Bluetooth settings, pairing and unpairing a phone on the Mazda infotainment system. If you do have any questions about it, don't hesitate to comment below or take a look at us online. Give us a call at one of our 4 locations in Tennessee or Oklahoma.